how to make only friends or friends can comment on your public posts on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only friends or friends can comment on your public posts on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and here you will find followers and public content, and go down. Here you will find the public post comments. Now just select friends or friends, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.